Welcome to the channel. Today is February 28th. It's a nice 34-degree day. It's been pretty nice up here in upstate New York. Most of our snow started to melt and everything, but guess what? Mother Nature today decided to dump, just give us a little covering today. I was looking forward to, start working on getting the bike ready for spring, but to get, hopefully to get out there riding here soon. But anyway, today I want to talk to you about, let's see. Let's open up the shed where the bike is. Yeah, all right. I don't know if you can see, but there's my bike. Battery turned to working good. But anyway, I want to talk to you today about the everyday looking horn for the Harley Davidson. Okay? They're on all the models, pretty much the same. All right? I don't need a new horn. It works perfectly fine for me. But it's the same as every other horn out there on every bike. So I wanted something different. So I reached out to Eagle Lights. I'm an affiliate with them. There'll be a link in the description below to their website. And if you're interested, you could use my discount code Royce_Moto_Ventures right here. And you'll receive 15% off your entire order. Okay? But anyway, I reached out to them and they sent me a new horn. They have this in black and they also have this in chrome. Let's see. I got the black one, part number ELHB. Comes in it's all nicely packed in foam. Nice. You don't have to worry about it. There we go. Black. It's got all this cut out so it kind of matches my shifter linkage there. This is easy. Maybe if I can get it out of the package. They got it in there so good that I can't even get it out. All right, there we go. What do you think? Okay, this looks pretty cool. It's different than the regular old Harley Davidson horn. This is called the Eagle Lights. It's from Eagle Lights SonicShield. It's pretty robust. All aluminum. Mesh in there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Supposedly this is louder than the original. I think this is like 120 decibels. I don't know what the original is. Let's set the camera down here and I could probably, let's test out the regular horn here. I don't know how good this is going to pick it up. Harley Davidson, regular horn. Pretty loud. So the first thing they suggest is disconnecting your negative battery terminal. I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna unplug. I'm just gonna pull the main fuse. You all know where that is, right? Just take off this out of the bag, which is wicked easy for me. Set that right there. Pop this off. There we go. There we go. Just set that right there. Okay. I'm just going to pull the main fuse. Ooh, a little dusty. Okay. So all you need to do is take a 1/2 inch wrench, socket, whatever. Take this nut off. Just hold it. It should come right off. There we go. Just spin that right off. Oops. And there should be a washer. Now keep that because you're going to reuse it. All right. Just let it sit there. There is a, I don't know if you can see, but there is a wire hanger right here. So I just need to bend that up a little bit so I can get the wires out. And then you just disconnect them from there. These two plugs. I need a screwdriver. Just gonna bend that wire hanger a little bit. There we go. Disconnect. Slide the wire out. There we go. All right, so we got the red and we got the black. So the red's on the front. Disconnect it. Oh, geez. Come on. Pop off of there. It's a little cold out here too, so. There we go. There. So you can see that this is just a, chrome here. I don't understand why this is chrome because, because this is a, blacked out bike. But anyway, same old horn, just a cover, and there's your plastic horn. All right. I'll set this aside to keep this. Got the new one, and you just plug the plugs back in just the same way. Okay. Red on the front. Black on the back. Come on. Get on there. There. All right. Stick it through the hole. Okay. Put the washer back on. And a nut. All right. This bracket right here, mountain bracket's a little thicker than the original, as you can see. It's just thin. So, you don't have as much threads there, but got it on there. Hold your horn to where you want it. All right. What do you think? Looks pretty nice, huh? Black and, yeah. Now I'm just going to plug my fuse back in, put the saddlebag back on, and we'll test out the sound.
A few moments later.
Eagle Lights SonicShield horn. All right, what do you think? Eagle Lights SonicShield horn. Like I said, it comes in chrome or it comes in black. I got the black. The link will be in the description below. Right to that product if you're interested. And if you use my code Royce_Moto_Ventures, you'll receive 15% off on your entire order. Eagle Lights has been gracious enough to send me the horn, and they have some great products. If you have any issues, they have great customer service. I've had a couple minor hiccups on things, and they are quick to take care of the issues. So 100% guarantee on their products too, so that's what I like about them. Anyway, what do you think of the horn? I don't know if it's that much louder than the stock, but it's a different look. And that's all I was looking for. I don't even use the horn half the time, but I was just looking for a different look than the regular old Harley Davidson horn. This will fit almost all Harley Davidsons, I think. It's the same looking horn that I've had since I started riding them. So back in 99. Yeah. But anyway, links will be in the description below. And, you know, I am an affiliate, so, but there will be no extra charge to you. But, okay. And hopefully, snow will be melting. I'll be out here in a month. Well, next month, because it is February 28th. So hopefully March I'll be out. We'll see. They just laced the roads with some more, well, I wouldn't say salt because I don't know if we have any salt because of the salt shortage. But anyway, they laced it with something, so the roads are all crap again already. But anyway, hope to see you all out there. Peace.